Hello, aerospace hardware friends. It's Phil Mader from UPC, bringing you a short presentation on Maagkit, modular at-a-glance kitting system for small aerospace and piece parts. Maagkit is a Poka-Yoka's advanced kitting solution. It includes the highest quality kit case for small part and assembly operations and logistics. We have a small material flow improvement video created by Lockheed Martin highlighting Maagkit as one of the 3 top improvements to material flow at their latest GPS-3 satellite.
The GPS Processing Facility, or GPF, has been transformed for GPS-3 satellite production. It is the most sophisticated satellite production facility in the world and a tribute to the engineers and designers who will produce the next constellation of space-based navigation satellites. Extensive advanced planning went into the design and construction of the GPF, and equivalent attention was directed to improving the material flow supporting spacecraft build. The result is a recurring business process that will standardize work for installation hardware kits. A team defined a method to consolidate and manage piece parts at a higher level in the manufacturing bill of material. Standardized work and advanced planning drive the efficiencies. The team's solution was the use of installation kits. This solution is being tested on the Pathfinder vehicle and will be extended to flight vehicles. With controls in place, these kits consolidate Lockheed Martin piece parts, enabling direct delivery to the point of use.
Everyone has an issue with missing parts and lost time. First sequence in any build is preparing your parts for assembly. The current technology for part preparation is based on manual or scale counting when filling any type of kit. Manual counting is slow and scale counting is inaccurate. The Maagkit system reduces time and improves accuracy. When you can instantly find every single piece part in your QC and final assembly line, the associated savings and improvements are tremendous. By organizing small parts efficiently, time is saved from assembly to refill, optimizing your build line and turnaround time. The case for Maagkit is that it provides maximum part control. It's a modular system with 100% visual at-a-glance validation, ready for continuous improvement, minimum FOD, and large returns on investment. Modularity is key. If you have to make a single bill of material change, eliminate an entire kit, and rebuild it from scratch, you can simply order a replacement cost. At a glance is also core to our technology, where one can instantly tell if all parts are there, providing an individual part cell, a pocket for each part if every part is there, guaranteeing exact part quantity without counting, 100% visual validation, no more scale tolerance error, and no more multiple steps and trips to the QC departments for counting validation. Even the smallest parts can be Maagkitted at a glance. We kit parts as small as 82 thousandths in diameter. Specs and benefits are tremendous. Ultra high ROI. Modular part cells easily accommodating part changes. At a glance technology. Ergonomic. Mechanics love them. Safe storage of your parts with no metal on metal. Easy to implement. Durable acrylic and laser engraved nomenclature, and no secondary packaging to reduce FOD and waste. Bin kit to Maagkit comparison, one can easily tell that all the parts are on the left in the Maagkit case. You cannot tell easily if all the parts are in the bin kit without counting, which takes many minutes. Dunnage and waste savings is tremendous. Foam kitting is another conversion. We saved 3/4 of the space, and you can certainly tell that every part is either there. All kitting began in bag kits, where mechanics would then have to open up each bag and sort them out on their build station, organize them in a way that was easily accessible, where many parts would often get lost or mixed together. Reduce waste. We wanted to show we create all our parts in part holder cells, database error-free repeatability, and fast turnaround. Some of the additional 3D images we created from our working files include part storage for nuts and bolts and washers and clips and clamps and rivets. These are all our standard. Nomenclature options are a key benefit. One can describe loading profiles, names of parts, telltales to tell if a part is correctly oriented with with the advent of modern engraving laser systems. Our standard cell sizes are itemized. We also make custom cell sizes. Our standard case sizes are itemized, but with options. Maagkit cells also integrate into existing tub kits. As noted, highly customizable cells and colors, and they eliminate part discrepancies, and you can use it as a pre-build checkout, even small kit cases down to 5x7, so for small inserts. We integrate well with other larger parts, so we can integrate directly cells into a larger foam modified tub kit, or we can integrate kit cases, which is a nice solution because then you can remove the kit case for refill in the storage department without consuming large spaces. Flyaway options, Pelican style, hard shipping case options, and tool kits. So not only is it just small parts and hardware, but also critical small tools that are required to have traceability so that they don't get lost. Custom cells I mentioned earlier. Here's a custom tooling kit cell. So we do a lot of creative work, innovations where we've come up with loading options to make it easier for the storeroom department to refill small parts, washers especially, in this case saved over 600% in load time. Innovations to allow for future-proofs, move toward augmented reality training for MRO operations and OEM operations, having a standard location for every part, a more automated process. Storage options as far as trolleys, utilized metro-style shelving systems, vending machines. Some case studies show that we've seen over 2,100% 10-year savings per month. A case study on quality control for an initial $84,000 investment, there was over a $700,000 return on investment. Waste savings are incredible. For that same system, we saved over 100,000 pounds of dunnage a year in trash. Implementation is fairly simple. A bill of materials, including the kit name, the part numbers, quantities, and if there's any specifics as far as a build order. We need part details for close tolerance parts and sample parts so that we can complete our quality control testing on site to make sure every part holder holds those parts in if they're not already in our database. Change control flows perfectly with any changes you need. As far as a bill of material change, as often happens, or a manufacturer part, there's an option to fill out a form and receive very, very fast replies and updates. Part of the implementation, we provide submittal sheets of the drawings. We complete the engineering, complete a submittal drawing sheet for your team to review and make sure the build order is correct, nomenclature is correct. Maybe you wanted to make a change, you didn't know how it was going to come out. We certainly have the option to make changes in this state. Delivery options are easy for us as far as delivery directly or third-party integrators. And that's the completion of our very short slide deck. And I'm just flipping through some slides in our gallery of kits that have been used in action to give a better idea. But I'd like to thank you for your time today. And if you'd like to learn more, please don't hesitate to reach out.